Being from North Karnataka, chapati is in most of our meals. So let's learn how to make soft and layered chapatis today. Take 3 cups of flour.
Add a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons oil and mix it together.
Add the water little by little and start mixing the dough. Now to adjust the consistency, add the water as and when required and knead it into a soft dough. Here we will apply a tablespoon of oil on top and keep it covered for at least 20 minutes. This dough can be kept in fridge for 2 to 3 days. Before rolling out the chapatis, we will again gently knead the dough and then take a small portion of the dough and start rolling out. We will add some dry flour to avoid the stickiness. After rolling to a medium size, we will apply 1 teaspoon of oil on one side and fold it twice. Now start rolling it again. Meanwhile, we will heat the pan. Once the chapati is completely rolled out to the big size, put it on the hot tawa. Once you see the bubbles, add half teaspoon of oil and then flip it. Now press gently on the sides. Chapati is completely puffed up. You can flip it and take it out. Here one tip is you have to keep the flame on high when you're frying the chapatis because the low flame might make them hard. You can see that this puffiness is adding more layers to the chapati. So once they are cooled down, you can open and see the 3 layers inside. Do let me know if you have any feedback in the comments. Hope you have liked my video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.